This program is for anybody in the creative arts, whether you're a painter, a sculptor, an installation artist, the list goes on. This is about artists who are serious in their craft. They want to develop, they want to grow, they want to evolve, and they want to understand the art world. Most of it is designed for visual artists, but any artist with any type of creative background can get anything out of this program. As we go through so many different fundamental things that help build longevity, routine, discipline, growth, experience, and evolution, risk-taking, growing. I've taken the last 10 years and built curriculum as I've worked with other artists all over the world in 22 countries, beginning artists, mid-career artists, emerging artists, artists returning after taking 20 years off after an MFA or after making art to start families. But I've specifically designed this for a program that I wish I had 20, 30 years ago when I was first getting into this. I've learned the hard way and many things. This is long, it takes time, and it takes absolute dedication. That's why you're here, and that's why I'm so excited for you to take part in this and help you grow.